Alright, CJ. Wanted proof. Check that out. 13 down there. I am that white name. Score. Round ain't over yet. Okay. Okay. Well, fuck that shit. I'm out of ammo, so I just start running to the next. Shit. Oh, ooh. I'm trying to get me. Nah, fuck off me. I ain't doing all that shit. Fuck off me, nigga. Okay. Let's fast forward. Okay, fuck off me, fast mode. Fuck off me. Check this shit out. Oh, crossover. Oh, damn. Crossover. Oh, fuck off me. Yeah, Okay, I made it. Yeah, I made it. Okay. I realize still ain't no fucking ammo over here, so, you know what I'm saying? Fast mode. All those fucking zombies behind me. Run. Fuck off me again. Look what I found. M16. Okay. Fast mode. Fuck off me. Ooh, busting. Ooh, I'm jumping on him. Look at the points. Check this shit out. Oh, ooh, I forgot to buy the gun. Almost fucked myself, young man. Almost gonna fuck the young man. Oh, did I just revive those guys? Can't be. Alright, let's keep going. Fast mode, fast mode. Ooh, electric nigga. Look at the... What the... Oh. Look at that nigga neck. Oh my god. Sorry ass teammate dead. That nigga's dumping, bro. I bet that boy CJ wish he could play like me, but I know he finna die. Look at him. He just look like it. Oh shit, they go to bus. Ain't got time for it though. Ooh, look how many zombies to kill. Coming on all. Oh, damn! Insta kill. Fuck off me, nigga. Fuck out the way. Okay. Let's wrap this video up. I know I'm gonna die soon. I only died because of this motherfucker. Okay, round 14. 236 kills. 2 downs. 7 revives. 74 headshots. Killer wheel. Check out that green ass connection bar. Oh shit.